Well, here's Ball Knob. Here's Ball Knob, Arkansas. I love these old towns. The old train coming through. Standing next to Wallace Chiropractic. He's one of the best chiropractors in the world. There's only a handful like him. If you need something fixed, Wallace Chiropractic, Ball Knob, Arkansas. Shocking. Look at the number of the license plate I was behind. 80917. Part of the old town. Old trucks, you've seen it several times. My old Tundra with the dog box. Ball Knob Museum. Guess this old building burnt down or was tore down. You got the benches there. It's a pretty cool place. You like seeing old towns. Welcome, downtown courtyard. Where the Ozarks meet the Delta, Ball Knob, Arkansas. Finally cooled down. It's in the 70s, I think, today. Feeling wonderful. That 110 stuff. I don't think no other place on earth ought to have that. Thanks for watching, guys. I thought you'd enjoy this. Seriously, this guy is amazing. Wallace Chiropractic. TikTok won't let me put phone numbers and addresses on. They said it could cause harm. Google it. Wallace Chiropractic, Ball Knob, Arkansas. People drive up from Dallas. He's amazing. There is a handful of people in the world like him. Remember that. Thanks for watching.